Hey guys, Joseph here again. I'm back again with another unboxing. This time I got my Cryptocurium from Jason McKittrick in today. This is the May box, and I cannot remember what the theme was. I'm terrible at this. As I swipe my knife at you guys. So, if you don't know what Cryptocurium is, it's another subscription box, but everything in here is actually handmade by Jason himself. He does fantastic work. It's one of my favorite sub boxes just because of how different it is from all the other ones. It's actually stuff that's handmade. So I'll leave the link down below. It's $35 a month, which is worth every penny to me. So we'll go ahead and crack on in. Alright, this is what we got here. Seems like a print. Let's see, this is from The Exorcist. I want to say, I'm not positive, but because you got the kind of upside down cross, the Ouija board down there. Yeah, in the face you can see Pazuzu, and Reagan. So, oh yeah, and the medallion right there. So, yeah, this is definitely from The Exorcist. Let's see what else we got here. We got, speaking of The Exorcist, we got the Reagan. Magnet. Actually, let me pull up here it is. I know. Oh yeah, this whole box is The Exorcist themed. I cannot remember that for some reason. The Exorcist has been called the scariest film ever made, from the complex themes of universal horror, evil, to the classic depictions of supernatural horror. This film will continue to frighten and intrigue viewers for decades to come. Included this month is the Possessed Reagan Magnet, which, damn, that came out great. The effects of the possession by Pazuzu can be seen plainly on Reagan's face, cast in solid resin and individually hand-painted. So again, this is why I love Cryptocurium, because of the work that goes into every piece. So there's the Reagan right there. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the small pieces poster. This dreamlike painting by Alan Brown shows the melding of millennia on old evil with childish innocence. Seriously, how cool is this painting? Created exclusively for Parcel Terror. See more of Alan's work at cardcocollective.com/Medusa Wolf. I'll leave the link down below. So that's his work. Came out great. Oh yeah. The Pazuzu Idol Monster Mini. An idol of the King of Demons and the Wind, and the main antagonist for the Exorcist series, if my paper would stop turning around. Now, Pazuzu is the embodiment of ancient evil, cast in solid resin and individually hand-painted in a fake stone finish. Yeah, I mean, it really came out. It looks cracked and stone-like. Back of it. I'm gonna have to figure out a place to put this. I believe we got one more item. we go. And we got the Captain Howdy Ouija planchette. The sinister face of the demon is transformed into a means for communication with the other side. Fun fact, the Ouija board didn't have a negative connection until it was used in the movie The Exorcist. Cast in solid demonic red resin. So nobody linked it with demon possession until after The Exorcist came out. I'm having trouble with this. Don't know why. There we go. So we got the planchette right here. Got Pazuzu's face. That's coming out well right there. Again, everything hand painted, hand crafted, sculpted, painted. This is beautiful. This is beautiful work. And that is everything. Of course, Cryptocurium. Go check them out. Order everything. Give your money to Jason like I do every month. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So we got the Pazuzu planchette, the Pazuzu, or the Captain Howdy planchette, the Pazuzu little mini statue. My favorite, the Reagan magnet, because you know I love magnets. And the, what was it again? Alan Brown print. So, yeah, that was everything in the box. Next month, he is doing Ghostbusters. So that one I cannot wait for. But, yeah, again, if you're interested in getting Cryptocurium, which you should, I'll leave the link down below. Jason, you kill it every time, man. But yeah, that is it for me, and I'll see you guys next time.